Hey, my name's Reece Watherston. This is my bike check. Starting with the frame, Chrome Mankind Justice, and then I've got Perfect 10 S&M bars with Odyssey Springfield short lever, Teep Sick, ODI grips, MGP Nitro bar ends, rockin', kick-ass BMX dual upper cables with Colony front loader stem, Odyssey gyro top plate with two headset spaces, a little bit more rise with Colony headset and Snafu detangler with Colony dagger forks, Odyssey G3 2-in-1 bottom cable with fly stock calipers and profile GDH cranks with Colony fantastic pedals, fly stock sprocket with S&M bottom bracket, KMC chain, Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat. Go to the wheels. Front is a profile mini with tie spokes, animal RS, rim with Toyota Power street block tyres, 2.15 on the back. Profile mini tie driver with just normal spokes, the hell shit, so loose, with Odyssey hazard light rim and Toyota street block 1.95 tyre. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yes, let's go get some clips.